In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your CJ account connected to your Shopify store and a product listed and ready to sell. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account. If you're brand new, create an account and sign in. If you already have one, just log in so you can access your dashboard. From there, look to the left panel. You'll see the section where you can install integrations. Click into it, choose Install App, select Shopify from the options, and proceed to install. Once you've started the install, click the same icon or section again, select Shopify and click Authorize. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be redirected to Shopify to approve permissions. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store, then confirm and allow the connection. When authorization completes, your CJ account is officially linked to your Shopify store, which means products and details can sync properly. Now head back to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and browse for a product you want to sell. When you find one that fits your niche, click List so you can send it to Shopify. You'll be asked to choose your Shopify store if you manage more than one. Then enter the product title and add tags. Keep your title clear and searchable, and use tags that reflect the product type, material, or intended audience to help organize your catalog. Next, go to variant pricing. Here you'll see different versions of the product, such as sizes, colors, or bundles. Set your prices for each variant. Consider your desired margin and any shipping or marketing costs when deciding the final price. Consistency across variants helps customers compare easily. Move on to images and videos. Select high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles and pick a strong cover image. If a product video is available, include it to increase engagement. Then review the description section. Keep it concise and benefit-focused. What the product does, key features, materials, sizing or dimensions, and care instructions if relevant. Avoid overly technical supplier language and make sure it matches your brand tone. Before you publish, scan through everything one more time. Store selection, title, tags, variant prices, and media. When everything looks good, click List now. CJ will push the product details to your Shopify store and you'll see it appear in your product catalog shortly. That's it. You've connected CJ Dropshipping to Shopify and listed a product with the right details, pricing, and media. Thanks for watching and happy selling.